Good morning, everyone. It's Michelle Gay, gift shop from Jeffreys Bay. And I'm telling you, we've got the most amazing sunrises here in J Bay. I mean, it's just spectacular. The way the light falls on the sea, and I can't capture the mist there in the background. The mist is just lying gently on the sea. It's just awesome. And then, I mean, hello everyone. It is so beautiful in the mornings in Java, and I just love being in my house. It's difficult to capture, but the beautiful sun rays of the morning light plays around in my house, and it captures and enhances the light, I mean the colors more, and it's just so awesome and beautiful and cocoonish. Color is the best thing in life ever. I love color. Everyone must have an awesome day. Cheers.